Hey everybody, so I know what you're thinking, why the name change? Well, to be totally honest, I didn't like the old one. Now, that being said, really, muscle cars have always been a part of my life. I eat, sleep, and breathe muscle cars. I love them. Always have since I was a little kid. So muscle cars is what we're going to focus on here. Now, if muscle cars is your thing, and you haven't already, smash that like button down there and smash that subscribe button, because we're going to do a lot of muscle cars on here. Now the more part of it, I thought about that. I mean, we may talk one day. I don't know. My focus there is I want to get to know you guys. I want you to know me. I want to be a YouTube family. I'm not here for a quick money grab. Not my thing. I love muscle cars. I love people who love muscle cars, and I just want to make a big family of people who enjoy muscle cars. Now, if you have a YouTube channel and you do muscle cars, let me know. I'll put it in here. I'll give you a shout out. Not that I have a whole lot of subscribers, but you know what? That's the other thing. If I only have 32 subscribers, that's fine. I don't care. I'll continue to make videos for 32 people. That's fine with me. I don't care. Like I said, I want a YouTube family and friends. But that being said, again, if you like your muscle cars and want to see things like muscle cars or kids building cars and stuff like that, learning, buying old trucks or cars and working on them just to learn how, we're going to have all that coming up in this channel. So if you haven't already, like I said, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the little bell notification so you can get all the videos and stuff that we're going to post. And you can even put down in the comments. I love reading comments. Please put comments. I love them. I love answering comments. I love reading comments. I read them all. That brings us to the other part. Originally, I didn't know if I'd like doing YouTube videos. I kind of gave it a test run. I do. I love it. I enjoy talking about muscle cars. My goal is to one day meet some of you guys out there that watch my videos, and we can talk muscle cars and maybe record your muscle car or muscle car experiences. But anyway, that's the goal. So hit the like, smash the like. Everybody smash the like. Leave me a comment on something you'd like to see, kind of car you'd like to see, some videos you'd like to see. I don't know. I'm new to all this, so anyway, with all that being said, like, share, subscribe, and let's get into the 68 Chevy Nova. We got an issue in the rear end. It's still making a lot of clanging noise. I did tighten up the leaf springs a little bit. As you can see in the last videos, we put the new leaf springs on. It has the pads. It comes with these pads, new pads. I put new pads on it between the springs, and I didn't have it tight enough, so I tightened it down. Now, I did tighten up my sway bar linkage and everything because that was kind of loose, and I'm thinking maybe that's a little bit of it. I don't know. I haven't driven it since. But as I was down there doing that, I did notice that I do have a shock that's not totally tight at the top, and I'm thinking that it's, you know, hitting. I don't know, but we're going to figure this out together. So anyway, let's crawl underneath this car and let's find out what in the world is going on and why this thing just sounds like it's falling apart in the ass end. Let's go do it. Okay, let me show you what I found. The shock was loose. Not loose, but it didn't seem like it was tightened up all the way. I had a little gap behind here, so we tightened this one up. We did tighten the sway bar links up. And we found the gas tank was rubbing up against the exhaust. So that's bent out a little bit. Found that the exhaust was hitting my hanger. Or my... I had to move my hanger because it was hitting here. So I had to move the hanger and slide it over a little bit. Yeah, I do know I have the extended shackles. That's because I like the look of the old school. So we're going to put extended shackles on here. Alright, what I'm thinking here, you can see that my rear sway bar has actually moved. I don't really like this sway bar setup, so I'm hoping that that ain't part of the issue. But when I look down here, I see how close it is to the rear end. I just don't like this sway bar. So we're going to probably take this sway bar off and see if it helps any. Maybe go with a different style sway bar. I don't know yet. Or I may rig something up to make this one work, but how it's set up now, it's just, I just don't like it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take this sway bar setup off of the vehicle. All right, well, let me get it off and we'll be back. Okay, rear sway bar linkage is off. Let me show you. This is all it was. I mean, what you got is, what you do is you drill a hole, 2 holes through the frame, you feed this through it, and then it can bolt up to these, which puts it to the frame. That, obviously you take your U-bolts, go around your axle. This goes up against your axle, and this goes up against that right here, and then inside here. But it goes like that, so it kind of forms a... But I'm not getting too much detail of that because I don't like this rear sway bar. Now, I'm not saying don't get a rear sway bar, because it did make a difference when I first got it, I know. But now that I got new under everything, it seems like that thing, well, I don't know, we'll have to see. We'll see if that's the problem. We'll have to take it for a drive here in a couple days. Right now it's just nasty outside. I don't feel like getting it out there, but while I got it up in the air, I might change a brake line and stuff. Yeah, that's a pretty kind of, I think, a crappy one there. I don't remember. I remember I got it from Classic Industries. It's been about 10 years or so when I got this one, and I just don't... I don't like how this is set up. I think when that bolts to the frame, that should go under the rear end or pumpkin area, not right up there by the end of it, by my drive shaft and everything. I just don't think that's right. But anyway, I don't know if you've got this one. Let me know if you like it. I really don't. But anyway, that's what we got today, and I guess tomorrow or the next day or whatever, I don't know, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna change this brake line, put a new one in. Hell, I don't know, I may even decide to do it today. You never know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, we got it off, and everything looks good now. Ooh, that thing's just kind of... That's crusty. Ugh. Oh. All right. Well, anybody? All right. Well, like I said at the beginning, like, share, subscribe. If you like muscle cars, this is going to be for you because we're going to be doing a lot of them. So I've already checked out car cruises and everything, so I'm going to be going to those and looking at some muscle cars. Mainly I'm going to focus on drivers. I do got to say that. I'm going to focus on driver quality muscle cars. I don't want to go towards the high-end muscle cars. I don't know, there's not a lot of excitement in there for me. If you want to see that stuff, there's plenty of channels out there. You can get on plenty of channels. But anyway, till next time, yeah, all that. Whew, I might have to edit that out. All right, anyway. Yep, peace.